MC Industrial Guangzhou Company Limited. We entered the denim industry in 2017 and have been located in Guangzhou Xinping, famous for its production denim. Our team have more than 20 years experience of jeans. As a dedicated OEM/ODM manufacturer, we have 10 domestic and international designers, and equipped with a number of fully automatic production lines for production. With more than 80 skilled workers, we are able to ensure efficiency and quality at every manufacturing step, achieving annual sales of nearly $3 million. The quality inspection department of our factory is responsible for the quality inspection process of more than 12 steps, and the quality pass rate is more than 98.98%. We are able to ensure the efficiency and quality of every manufacturing step. What's more, we have been integrating the fabric, sewing, and washing of the denim industry, reducing the production time and avoiding and reducing a lot of trouble. In these years of rooted in the denim industry, our company has reached deep cooperation with more than 5,000 plus well-known foreign denim clothing brands. We are willing to take you visiting our factory. Finally, the service we provide to our customers is flexible, creative customization. Quickly meet your personalized denim customization needs.
Show MC quality to the world. Welcome to Compare